Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, it's Kier from I Did You Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business, alright? Using my lead gen secret state 41. Okay guys, let's keep it moving. Alright, so the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because it's products that you need anyway. It's stuff that you need to have to start an online business. Any kind of funnel builder, you need one. Ask anybody, any person that makes money online will tell you need a funnel builder, right? You need a funnel builder, and this is I've tried a lot of funnel builders. This is a very smooth funnel builder. Very easy to use, very easy to do things, and there's no limitations on it, which is the greatest thing about it. There's no limitations on the funnel builder. For $25 a month, you get a lot of other stuff too with the $25 a month. It's an all-in-one business, so you get a lot of other stuff too. But I think the funnel builder is the biggest prize here, and it is amazing. It's very solid. It's on par with the I think the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 a month. And that's with limitations. If you don't want those limitations, it costs $300 per month. $300 per month or $25 per month. You pick and choose. Anyway, the other reason, I think the most important reason that I like promoting the $25 business, and the one that I think people are most interested in, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That means that you get paid every single month. As long as the person stays in the system, you get paid every single month 80% of commissions, right? And everybody gets this. So one of you guys, you sign in, right? You join out and you pay the $25, I'll get $20 of that. You understand what I mean? And if somebody sign in under you and pay the $25, you'll get $20 of that. That's how much you get paid. That's insane. And you will get paid every month they stay in the system, right? So that's what I'm trying to say, is that it's a very good way to build up an income. And I think people are underestimating how powerful it is. And basically, you guys can just copy what I do. You can sign in under me, then just exactly copy what I do. And you'll make money, guys, because I'm doing it. I'm doing this. You know what I mean? So I think you guys make money too. Same way. And this is just easy. This is a 5-minute thing. So every day. So you can do the same thing. All right. So anyway, let's see if we got any sales yesterday. Refresh the page. And it looks like we did get a sale yesterday. All right.
Nice.
Okay, we did get a sale yesterday, guys. I can't show any info because, you know, private information. I don't want to show any of that, but we did get a sale yesterday, as you can see here. One thing I want to make sure I tell you guys is that make sure people refresh the page when they show you their results. I see a lot of YouTubers showing you a still frame of their results, and it'd be like thousands of dollars a day, and they don't refresh it or anything. They just show it. They can change you can change all these numbers around real easily. The only way you know for sure these are real results if they refresh the page. So I am getting $20. I did make $20 yesterday, guys. I just want to make sure I clarify that. All right, and you get paid weekly, by the way. You get paid by the week. So every Thursday you get sent to your you get paid, right? So yeah, you get paid every week, depending on how you got your thing set up. You know what I mean? How you get paid and stuff. But I got mine set up weekly. You can change it to whatever you want it to be. But anyway, let's move on, guys. We're gonna do the same thing. Make sure you get this link here. Make sure you get this link here to promote the product, right? So that's the link we're gonna use. All-in-one $25 business. Okay, guys. Make sure you get that link. All right. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna hit this button here, and we're gonna go to. Let's see, which email should we go for? I'm gonna go with full week and I'm gonna keep climbing. We're gonna go with that one. Now y'all can copy that too if y'all want to. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around the time people check their emails. So anyway, we're gonna keep it moving down here. Here go the link here. You can pause at any moment and copy my email here. It's showing you the whole email there. You can put, you don't gotta put a picture. You can just put your name there. You don't even gotta do that really. You don't gotta put a sincerely or anything, but I just do it for emails. Good practice. You can get sales either way. But anyway, this is how you put your link. You just paste it in right there. And there go your link. Alright guys. Just make sure you do that, right? And there you go. And that's your link. That's how you put in a link, guys. I just want to make sure I show you how to put in the link. I got asked that once, and so I was thinking maybe I should have started showing that and stop assuming people already know how to do it. But yeah, you click up here. These are links. You can remove link right here. Very simple. Every email link thing looks like this. So if you know how to do it on one, you know how to do it on everything. That's the type of thing it is, right? So yeah, you just put your link right there, and you hit preview, right? And you make sure the link works, guys. You make sure the link works. The link works. All right, the link works. Okay, guys. And that's all there is to it, guys. You hit send email and you're done. You're done. That's all it takes. That took me 6 minutes only because I've been rambling. I'm rambling, but for you guys, it'll take you no time at all, especially if you just copy my email. Copy my emails, you'll be done in about 4 or 5 minutes every morning. You do this every morning, you'll make money, guys. That's all it is. That's all it takes, man. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All the links are in the description below. Now, see you guys next time. Oh, hit that notification bell too. Bye.